Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn headsmen on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 21,888 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm dynamic design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now to the rear you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and a front centre armrest for extra comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. Into the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, a 12-volt charger, and 2 cup holders for those longer journeys. This approved used Audi A3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.